kabayan! Nandito tayo ngayon sa Balantay, Sarangani Province.
Upang saksihan ng fully finished na customized granny model house.
Ito ay customized at may total floor area na 72 square meter.
From porch area to living area, makikita mo talaga kung gaano ito ka-spacious. Ito ay may 2 bedrooms. And in this side, makikita nyo naman ang kitchen counter with a cabinet below. Punta naman tayo sa bedroom side. In each bedroom, it has total floor area na 8 square meter. And also, meron itong two-way access papunta sa toilet and bath. In these big windows, we are letting in the natural light, provide good ventilation, and also enhancing the aesthetic view of a prefab house. At abangan ang susunod na accomplishment ni Bahay Makabayan. Basta Bahay Makabayan update,
Angat ka, kabayan!